The content for this video was taken from the book Heal Arthritis Naturally for a Pain-Free Life. Special thanks to the authors for providing this information. You can find more videos on arthritis on our channel in the Arthritis Treatment playlist. At the end of the video, you'll find instructions on how to download free checklists, plans, and guides to support your arthritis recovery. So, let's begin the lesson.
3.6. A unified framework of arthritis causes and development.
Despite the differences between arthritis types, they share common threads in how they arise and progress. Simplified, the causes of arthritis can be described as follows: predisposition, genetic, immune, hormonal, metabolic. External trigger, infection, injury, stress, diet, environmental factor. Onset of chronic joint inflammation. Shift in balance toward tissue damage. Persistence of the process due to ongoing triggers and secondary changes in the body.
The multifactorial nature.
The unifying feature of all forms of arthritis is their multifactorial origin. In other words, arthritis rarely develops from a single cause. More often, it is the outcome of several groups of factors acting together. Genetic predisposition. Environmental and ecological influences. Hormonal balance. Diet and gut health. Psychological and stress-related loads. Each group on its own may not be enough to trigger disease, but in combination, the risk increases significantly.
Why the outcomes differ.
If the underlying mechanisms are similar, why does one person develop gout while another develops osteoarthritis? The answer lies in the way these factors interact. Genetics determine which system is most vulnerable: the immune response, metabolism, or cartilage structure. Environmental exposures select the triggers. For one person, it may be an infection. For another, years of physical strain. Hormonal status and age influence how fast the disease progresses. Thus, the framework is shared, but the details lead to different forms of arthritis. For those who prefer a book version rather than video content, a great resource is the book Heal Arthritis Naturally for a Pain-Free Life. It's a full guide with real-life recovery examples, and it's available now on Amazon. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to explore the Arthritis Healing playlist linked in the description below, along with other helpful resources. Keep moving, keep smiling, and keep learning. We'll be here next time.